Merry Meet Magical Souls and welcome back to another magical video. I hope you guys are having a great day. I'm so excited for this month's Witch's Roots box because their magical boxes are so amazing, so divine. Be sure to check out the Witch's Moon in the comment section and description box down below so you guys can visit their magical moon market and get their neat stuff. They're so amazing and I just love the value you get for their stuff, guys. So let them know I sent you. But without further ado, let's see what the theme is for the month of February. I am so excited, and thanks to my mom for pipping out my background at Journey Through the Clouds on Instagram. Oh my god, guys, I'm so excited. Let's see what the theme for this month is. I just love these boxes. They make me so happy every month. Ooh. The theme for this month, guys, is the Triskele. I hope I'm not butchering the word. As we step into the season of growth and abundance, we strive to disperse old habits and perceptions that work to cripple and persuade us otherwise. This process or cycle is represented in many forms used within our practices and portrays a very simple yet astounding concept of birth, death, and rebirth. It is simply not enough to know how important these cycles are for our well-being. We set our intentions of factating these changes throughout every aspect of our reality cycles as for our well-being. As we step into the season of growth and abundance, we strive to disperse old habits and perceptions that work to cripple and persuade us otherwise. This process or cycle is represented in many forms used within our practices and portrays a very simple yet astounding concept of birth, death, and rebirth. It is simply not enough to know how important these cycles are for our well-being. We set our intentions on factating these energies throughout every aspect of our reality so that we can create space for new concepts, creations, ideas, and opportunities. In this very exciting collection, we work with the representation of the Triskele and the natural companions that accompany its energies. We truly hope that these items can inspire change throughout transformation so that you may continue to prosper and excel in your path. The magical items in this box are as follows. I wonder what the word Triskele means, guys. I think I've heard it before, so let's find out what it means. It looks like there's a beautiful Book of Shadows artwork. There is a couple of them, guys. There is the Triskele Book of Shadows artwork and a Peppermint Book of Shadows artwork. Very beautiful artworks, guys. I love them. So for the Triskele one, guys, it says, the Triskele motif, also called the Triskelion, consists of 3 interlocked Chemicalidian spirals demonstrating rotational symmetry, continuous movement, and transformative cycles. The Greek, blank word I can't pronounce, translates to 3-legged in reference to both Triskele and the 3 bent leg motif. This symbol has been found worldwide but has particularly prominence dating back to the European Neolithic, Bronze, and Iron Ages. Over time, many meanings have been ascribed to the Triskele: earth, water, and sky, youth, parentage and maternity, mother, father, and child, body, mind, and spirit, past, present, and future. The spiral itself signifies renewal, acting as a member of reincarnation, commonly considered the progression of life, death, and rebirth. The course of growth, death, and decay becomes the mechanism of restoration. This is neat, guys. So it's basically a 3-swirl symbol. It's different. It reminds me of like the Triquetra or the snake eating its tail, the Obra symbol. So a neat magical symbol. It's like the 3 swirls. It's kind of like another representation of the Triquetra, I feel like, guys. But neat with that symbolism. So I love the Book of Shadows artwork, and I cannot wait to see what else is in this magical box, guys. Oh, I'm just so excited for the box every month. Ooh. It looks like there is a really cool magical pendant already, guys. It's the Triskele symbol. I love it, and it looks like swirls with the element of air. This is a cool talisman, guys. I love this because you can literally just wear it like a necklace if you wanted. Like, this would look good with my outfit. I'm wearing a Witch's Bounty pendant from a previous month. You can wear it as a necklace, guys. You can even add this little pendant as like a bracelet charm. You guys can do so much. I think it's really cute, and I cannot wait to use this in my day-to-day life. So this is the Triskele pendant McCord necklace, guys. It's a very intriguing and powerful symbol. The Triskele continues to be prominent within magical illustrations and workings. The Triskele has been found throughout many histories and corresponds with a variety of similar interpretations. Derived from the word Triskele meaning 3 legs, the Triskele or triple spiral represents a cycle in simple terms. These interpretations can be associated with life, death, and rebirth, land, sea, sky, or mother, maiden, and crone. In essence, these representations are vital in our understanding of how important and magical each process should be. This is neat, guys. I like that. I knew it was another representation of that, like Triquetra, triple moon goddess symbol. Just another form in another part of the world. It's definitely a beautiful talisman, and I'm so happy to have it. Thank you, Witch's Moon. And let's see what else is in here, guys. There's such neat stuff. Oh yeah, baby. I think I see a smudge stick. Is this Yerba Santa? No, this is different. Ooh, I wonder what this one is, guys. Oh, this is cool. I love my smudge sticks. I can always be smudging. This is a dried eucalyptus bundle, guys. Throughout a wonderful cleanser and purifier of all negative energies, we have included the eucalyptus bundle with the intention of bringing new, refreshed energy into your space. As you allow the smoke to drop through your sacred space, visualize all things becoming sharper and more vibrant. I love this, guys. Having a big family, he need to be cleansing, and with supernatural problems, he gotta be cleansing, so I'm so happy to have this. Eucalyptus smudge stick. I cannot wait to use it in my magic. Oh, this is so cute, guys. It's only gonna look nice on my altar, guys, but this is gonna come in handy because I need to be smudging my stuff all day, every day on my crystals. So I'm so happy to have that smudge stick. And it looks like there's also a ritual aura spray in this box too, guys. And I see the amazing Triskele symbol on here. It just reminds me of the triquetra so much. So I need to remember this one's called the Triskele. Definitely learning with the witch's moon. I love how I learn new things. I feel like I'm learning back in school, but more fun. This smells good, guys. It's got a little bit of like a minty smell, but it's kind of sweet too. And I love how there's a little pump on it, so you can put the pump in and spray your surroundings. So this is the Triskele Ritual Aura Spray. We are thrilled to be able to introduce our Triskele Aura Ritual Aura Spray within this collection. We have created this aura spray with the purpose of creating movement within your energetic field. As you use this aura spray, visualize your goals and aspirations standing just ahead on your path, waiting for action and realization. We have created this aura spray with oils of spearmint, peppermint, eucalyptus, vivida, rosemary, and a special mixture of our divine cycle magical oil from our own personal cabinet of witchery. Oh my gosh, I love this, guys. I want to use it right now. It smells amazing. Oh, this is such a beautiful bottle too. I love this. Oh my god, guys, I feel the magic already swirling around me, and I'm seeing this Triskele symbol in the 5D, like, just all around me. This feels amazing, and I love this magic. It's just making my soul feel refreshed, guys, like stagnant energies that I maybe haven't cleansed yet. It's just moving on out. I love that spray. So let's see what else is in here. I think there's a couple more things. It looks like there is a crystal for this month. And also some peppermint. I love this, guys. I've been brewing it when I've been sick. So this is a handy herb that you can consume and just use in your magic to get rid of stagnant energies. There's also this incense for this month called Cycles, and I wonder how this smells. And I love when they package it like this, so all the scent stays within the bag. I have so many incense, and it's just so fun to burn them. Let's see how this one smells. This one's a light scent, guys, and I like how it smells light and airy, and like with cycles, as the name, I can assume it means to help you go through cycles and evolve and progress and just, ooh, it smells good. I'm so happy. What's in here? Let's see. This is a nice little green pouch, and what stone did we get? We got a piece of fluorite, guys. I'm so happy. It's a piece of green fluorite. It looks so magical. I love this color. Ooh, I can't wait to use this in my practice, guys. And it looks like we got a cute little white spell candle that we can use in our magic and day-to-day rituals. So this is very pretty. So I got this neat beeswax candle, guys, and the fun little fluorite stone with some string on my fingers. But I'm so excited to have these magical tools. This box with the witch's roots, guys, was really exciting. I'm so happy with the energies that are within it. Thank you so much to the witch's moon for sending me the subscription box. Like I said before, guys, be sure to check out them in the comment section down below and description box to get your neat magical boxes today, or just visit their moon market to get some neat magical tools. Let them know that I sent you. Thank you so much, witch's moon. And like always, guys, be sure to get the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications down below so you're notified for all of my future content. And from heaven to earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you all be blessed and rejuvenated in her loving embrace. May we meet, may we part, and may we meet again, magical souls. Blessed be.